Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and then launch Noli immediately. Make sure Noli CLIV1, 2 or later is installed and the binary is in your path. This ensures commands run everywhere. Store your API key in an Oli API KEY or the ~/ Noli/credentials file so authentication is automatic. Once done, change to your project root and run Noli in it to create the config skeleton. This file defines endpoints and defaults. Editing it now saves repeated flags later and makes subsequent steps deterministic. You configure Noli next and then execute the core commands. Open Noli. IML and define services, Docker or local ports, timeout values, and environment variables so each run reliably mirrors production. When ready, use Noli run service to start a single service or Noli up to bring all services online. This isolates problems faster. For active development, add watch to reload on changes, verbose to see logs, and env to override settings. Doing so keeps feedback tight and debugging simple. You complete the workflow by validating and then troubleshooting if needed. First, run Noli test or hit endpoints with curl to confirm responses and expected behaviors. Testing catches config drift early. If something fails, run Noli log service and Noli status to inspect error traces and health checks, which reveal misconfigurations or missing env values. If problems persist, reset state with Noli clean and regenerate the baseline with Noli in it. This clears transient state and returns you to a known good starting point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.